Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The website is easy to navigate for newcomers to the crypto world. All you need to do is go enter the Big Ice Coin website and click sign up for launch. Fill out the relevant information that is required as seen in the photo below. All you need is your first and last name with a valid email address to become part of the Big Ace Coin community. It's that simple. Will Bitcoin or BTC remain all the top? Anyone who has heard of cryptocurrency will have basic knowledge of Bitcoin. The crypto giant has dominated the market since its inception in 2009. Even in time of hardship, Bitcoin has remained the best of crypto. However, will Bitcoin's outdated consensus algorithm be its downfall? It is possible. Bitcoin has recorded a 9% decrease in value in 7 days at the time of voting. As the maximum amount of Bitcoin available to mine draws closer, miners could look for a new POW cryptocurrency like Dogecoin. Over 90% of Bitcoin are mined, leaving just 1 million. However, there are a plethora of reasons why Bitcoin users will move away from the Bitcoin platform. The most notable one is the environment. The Bitcoin uses an astronomical amount of energy annually, accounting to the same amount as Argentina. Excessive energy consumptions result in high carbon emissions. Cryptocurrency like Bitcoin are being held accountable for their environmental impact. It is one of the reasons why Ethereum chose to switch to POS, while this is not an option for Bitcoin due to its value being determined by the amount of work it takes to mine a coin. It does not stop the negative publicity around Bitcoin. Bitcoin users can switch from the POW platform to a POS platform like Big Ace Coin. The new cryptocurrency has the potential to dominate the market through Q4, utilizing the upgraded technology of Ethereum 2, the pioneer for meme coins. Like Bitcoin, the coin was the first of its kind to enter the crypto market. Since its inception, there have been over 200 meme coins that have graced the market. None of them have obtained the same popularity that Dogecoin has. Dogecoin could be an escape for Bitcoin miners as Dogecoin also uses POW. Users obtain 6 BTC when mining a block of Bitcoin and 10,000 Dog when mining a block of Dog. While the price might differ, the coin as a unlimited supply, meaning users can mine it continuously. Additionally, the coin has the support of billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk. Even if you haven't heard of cryptocurrency, you will know Elon Musk. He has often tweeted his support for the coin, resulting in price spikes. Elon Musk has over 100 million Twitter followers, showcasing the effect he has on the crypto market, in particular Dogecoin. Recent updates for Dogecoin include Layer 2 network for Dogecoin platform named Dogecoin. Dogecoin was constructed by Doge holders and include GAN, and with NDFI for Dogecoin users. Call this development help Dogecoin climb further up the crypto market. To summarize, it has been over 13 years since the introduction of Bitcoin. The amount of consensus that Bitcoin and Dogecoin use could be classified as a good debt, leaving room for POS platforms to outperform them in the crypto market. Even those with little sympathy for the environment will gravitate towards POS due to its high speeds, nominal fees, and heightened security. Big Ace Coin is a new innovative platform that has constructed an ecosystem that appeals to a massive target audience with a plethora of tools at their disposal. If the POW consensus is outdated, Big Ice Coin called platform Bitcoin and Dogecoin when it launched. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.